Alright, what's going on, y'all? We are back with another pre-market watch list video. Today is May 5th, Tuesday. So happy Cinco de Mayo. Starting on our chart, there's not much to watch today. It should be a pretty simple day. So yesterday, we actually had a little bit of a sell-off back into demand. You can see we rejected this previous high at 676. Let's turn some of this off real quick. Okay. We rejected this previous high at 676. Ended up falling down to like our 670 to 669 area, which if we switch charts, we could see that we actually have this mapped out. Yep, back to all our messy lines. Okay. You can see we flushed right into kind of this demand area and ended up bouncing off of it back to our 674 level. And going into today, we gapped up above 675. Overnight, we ended up breaking that previous high at 676, and now you can see we're kind of rejecting at this 678 level. So let's mark out some of these levels right here. And so what I'll be looking for is obviously for us to hold above 676. If we lose 76, I'll look for 675 to hold. If we hold that, I'll be looking to go back up to this all-time high at 678. And if we break above 678, I'll be looking for a squeeze to 680. That's my main QQQ watch. Under that, I'll be looking for shorts, probably under. Honestly, I don't like shorts until we lose like 670. So I wouldn't even worry about shorts today. Just me personally, unless the opportunity presents itself and the trade looks really nice. I mean, off this 678, you could probably catch some nice shorts. And the reason this 678 level, 678 level is important is because of NQ. You can see this is NQ 28,000. So let's see the high of this candle. If we go to the high of this Q's candle, yeah, like 678.30 to 40, we'd say. Is the high for Qs, and like I said, you can see that's 28,000 on NQ. So if we get above that, we could continue to squeeze. If we reject it here, you know, we could get a pullback, possibly into that Q's like 675 or something. But we'll see how the market treats us today. I'm more on the bullish side. I just wanted to keep running. Reason being is because we have some NVIDIA cons that we swung yesterday, which you can see NVIDIA is opening right into a heavy supply zone. So if we close above the 200 mark on NVIDIA, we should get a really nice push. But until then, it's probably going to stay in this like this 200 to 195 range. I would love to see it break out, but that could be later this week. And then the one I'm really excited about is Tesla. We also have some Tesla calls, which I would love to see this get to 400. And if we break above 400, we should be able to get a squeeze. My overall level, I think it can go to is like 410. I would love to see it at 410, but we'll just see how this Tesla plays out. As long as it's holding 393, I really like this chart. And like I said, hopefully market open, we just continue to push up. So that's all I'm really watching for today. Like I said, not much on my watch list since I already have these NVIDIA and Tesla contracts. Just kind of a continuation day for me. Another trade I like is this PLTR above 145. They crushed earnings. I think they double beat them by a good amount. You can see the market reacted, kind of sold off. Let's see, we're down almost 2% in the pre-market. So market kind of sold off after the earnings, but if we get above 145, we can look for longs. back into like 148 or even the earnings high over here at like 151. So that's my watch list for today. I know it's short, quick, simple, but not much to discuss for me at least. Like I said, I'm already in some positions. My position's already established, so it's just kind of a flow day with the market for me. So thank y'all for tapping in, and let's make this money.